I'm going to do chicken quiche. The chicken quiche to do, I need a pastry. That is short crust pastry I need with 200 grams. So when I say 200 grams, that is 200 grams flour, 60 grams of butter or margarine you can use, and 1 teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt, cold water to make the pastry. Now we will use about 200 grams of flour, but I am just showing you a little quantity because I have already done the pastry for you. I just wanted to mix and show you. 200 grams of flour we take, and roughly about 60 grams of butter we take here. 60 grams, okay, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, that also we have to take. A little pinch of salt we take it, and then little by little we have to mix it nicely. Before we add the water, we have to mix it nicely. Then little by little we add water and knead it well. Lastly we will knead by hand, okay. So we will leave this aside, and then I will take this pastry, knead it well. After kneading at least for 15 minutes, if I can keep it covered for a while before I roll, it will be better. Roll the pastry. It should not be hard. If it is hard, add a little more water, that's all. This is the tray that I am going to use. Oven proof tray I need. So we will take an oven proof tray and butter it nicely. So we will butter this nicely, and thereafter put the pastry on that. Press it well. Cut this. We need a small design. So what will you do? See, you just pinch it so that it will have a small edging for this. Now what I am going to do is prick it nicely with the fork. I am going to put the filling and everything here, but I need a bit of baking. We call it blind baking, so that for 2 to 3 minutes only I have to bake, because the bottom should get cooked before we put the filling. Oven has to be warm, hot, so that I can bake it for 3 minutes and take it, because it should not be over baked also, because after putting the filling I am going to bake it. So we will do that. Now 3 minutes bland baking, right? So 3 minutes you bake 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. That's the moderate temperature only. Whenever we do cooking, moderate temperature. If I want to do certain other things such as chicken, meat and all, then it will change, the centigrades will change to hot 200. Into a large bowl, I have taken 4 eggs. Watch carefully. Beat it. Mix it well. Then I need yogurt. So we will take a cup of yogurt. That also I add it into this. Mix it well. Need a little butter, which I am going to melt it and take. Melt the butter, say roughly a tablespoon of butter, we have to melt it and use that also. Okay. Put it into the egg. I need a chicken cube here, just break it up. That also, and put it. And a little salt, which I need here. That also mix it nicely. Keep this aside. Pastry is ready after baking for 3 minutes, bland baking, and now I am going to use the chicken. The chicken also, I have taken 250 grams of chicken, boiled, flaked, minced it. We have minced the chicken and kept it ready. We'll see. We will take the chicken now and we will add into this mixed pastry. Not with the egg, so you can see that goes first. I need a little bit of salt, which I have to sprinkle a little salt. Use a little white pepper. Mix it nicely into this. Now into this I put only salt. Now I will use a little bit of pepper also here. And white pepper. We didn't use the black pepper. White pepper I have used. Now I am pouring this mixture into this nicely. Over that I need a little bit of cheese. Grate the cheese as much as possible. You can use 100 grams of cheese. Spring onions, parsley, little olives also. That is, if you like, you can use olives. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to keep it in the oven to bake for about 30 minutes. 30 minutes baking, when I say pastry has to get baked, the egg has to get cooked, till then 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, you bake till it's baked 30 minutes roughly. Roughly for 30 minutes we bake and take it, so that we will know the quiche is baked. The quiche is baked, you can see. Now we will see when we are going to serve this and how we are going to serve this. I need olive oil to make the salad cream, or never mind, we don't need the salad cream. We can use the French dressing also. So we will use this olive oil 1 tablespoon, lime juice a teaspoon, mustard cream 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, and salt a little. This is the French dressing, right? Now that is also ready. And now we will see what I am going to do is, I am going to cut this and show you how to serve it. We are going to cut this into wedges. See how it comes. This is nice. This is how you make it. It's with the wedges which we have nicely cut and taken. I am going to do with a slice of bread. I can have it to have this. And I have got my beautiful salad that I am going to prepare, isn't it? Gherkin, tomatoes, carrots, capsicum, all that I have taken here. I want to put a little bit of pepper here and a little salt. My salad cream or the French dressing. See, goes nicely with this. This is nice, as I told you. Dinner time I can serve with the salad. Lunch I can serve with this, like this I can serve it. But tea time, only the chicken quiche with those wedges, like that alone you can serve it, so that anytime you can have it. I hope you will enjoy, because next week with another episode I am going to come, and I hope you will be waiting to watch how I am going to do the other preparation. So bye from me now till I meet you next week.